Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add widget to Android home screen. So let's get to it. Here I have opened my Android home screen, and the first thing we're going to do is tap and hold on any empty area of the home screen. And the screen will look like this, and after that you can tap on widget since we want to add widget. Then you can slide your screen to find the widget that you want to add to your home screen. And for example, I'm going to add Telegram, so I'm just going to tap on Telegram. Then I'm going to choose the Telegram chat to be added to my home screen, and after that we can click on add right here. Alright, and this is the preview of the widget, and after that we can click on done. Alright guys, and this is the widget that I have just added to my home screen, and that's how we can add widget to our Android home screen. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.